I apologize for the awkward angle. I had to set up to film in a hurry and unbox it quickly as all my family was waiting to see it get unboxed. This little red pocket contained three things: a quick start guide, a safety guide, and a Red Cable Club membership card, which I was really excited to see because this lets you get a discount on other OnePlus products. The safety guide just tells you all of the basic stuff as well as the quick start guide, and the charger block was really heavy. Like, it was so heavy, like, I did not expect it to be like that. Anyway, I am officially a part of the Red Cable Club, so that's a big yay for me. I recently received this new tablet called the OnePlus Pad 2. It is the second tablet which OnePlus has put out, and it's a great competitor for the iPad Air, and some could even say some of the lower models of the iPad Pro. I mainly received this tablet for study purposes and online classes, but I am a very creative person, so I'm going to be using this for things like video editing, making cute posters on Canva, making thumbnails, and doing other stuff like writing. And this device is actually really good for people with weak eyesight like me, since looking at my phone all day has made my eyesight get worse in the past few years. And it's honestly really great to see this new change that I can implement to also improve my health and improve my studies as well. I didn't get to set up the tablet on camera, but I'm going to show you guys how I've set up my tablet currently, everything like all the apps and stuff, and just give you guys a brief overview of how I'm going to use this to basically boost my productivity. My dad helped me to set up the tablet. It was pretty simple since I didn't have to move files or anything, and I could just like start afresh. I've been using this camera on my phone to record videos since the camera on the tablet isn't that good, but using the Samsung version of AirDrop, which is called Quick Share, I think, and it helps you to transfer files from Android devices really fast, and that's basically how I'm managing my files. So I'm just gonna move on to the setup. Now this is the most awaited part, the tour of my tablet. So the on buttons are here and the volume button is here. There's a magnet over here to put the pencil. I don't have one yet. There's magnets for the Magic Keyboard and a camera on the back. It's in the center, which didn't fit my taste at all, but you know what, this outweighed many other options, contenders in the market, like the Samsung S9 Plus and other Samsung tablets. So as you open, I have this really cute coquette bunny aesthetic wallpaper, and I don't have a password since my parents use this as well. I have this cute widget of Tyler the Creator's Igor album, and this is basically my home page. I have all the important apps here. I have my tasks, my photos, Spotify and Teams, which I use for online classes. I have YPT for tracking studies. I have Pinterest, of course, I have Pinterest and YouTube. And an honorary mention to my cat wallpaper. It's cats wearing bows. How cute is that? Then I have my taskbar. This thing is a default. It opens up all the apps so you can open them in side by side. Then I have this, which is just like a drag and drop of files. And then I have this on my taskbar. This is Chrome, the camera. This I use to control my smart lights. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. So when I turn on my lights, I can just change them around like this. And notice how that changes the ambiance of the room completely. Like, that is so crazy. It's so cool. Anyway, I'm gonna turn it off for now. Guys, forgot to mention, I have this really cute butterfly stand. I think it's called that. It's like a metal stand for like laptops, but it fits my tablet really well. I'm gonna show it to you guys. This is what the stand looks like. It opens up like this and you can set it down, and it has two legs over here that can adjust in the different holes to make the angle suited to what you prefer. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, tell me on Instagram. My comments keep getting closed or deleted for some reason, probably because of the minor restrictions thingy. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found something informative and maybe found a good suggestion. Totally take my advice. This is a really good tablet. If you're looking for a laptop replacement or a tablet replacement, make sure you get this because it's actually really good. And if you have the OnePlus ecosystem, don't look anywhere else, basically. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope I can get more videos out if studies doesn't affect it. But yeah, anyway, that's it for today. Bye.